How to steadily trade in plus, a win-win strategy. Friends, hello, this is Michael here. I trade binary options on Pocket Option platform, and I want to let you know that in the description below this video, you will find a link to my private Telegram channel. There you will find a lot of useful and new information. I also publish daily trading signals there. You can write me on Telegram. To get the link to sign up for the Pocket Option and get 50% free bonus to your deposit. So join my Telegram channel and do not miss the opportunity to earn with me. We start with a deposit of 10,590. Let's start the analysis right away and find a couple of interesting situations, guys, here. So the Euro and USD pair immediately catches the eye with an interesting break of the sloping line. It made a retest of the level and went down. Well, it is also important, guys, that each touch of the level is a certain area of interest, which will be interesting for other participants. So there will be levels here that we will also be guided by. Let's look at what is happening on the smaller time frames. We see that we have a rebound on the 1 minute chart, and right away we have an interesting situation. On the breakout of which I enter immediately, from above we see that that the price is pushed down by the incline levels. But in general, as I have already mentioned, this situation looks more like a fall. We bounced back a little bit, but there is nothing wrong with that. And here it is, the first profit plus $384. I have set the level on the breakout of which we entered. Great situation, isn't that? So let's see what else is interesting in the market. Let's see what is more interesting. What can bring us profits? So on CAT CSF, generally the chart is interesting for it to break a trade, but it seems to me that it is too early to enter. You see there are some unpleasant candlesticks from the 0.715 level. So European, a pity, I was waiting for this growth, but the bingo, USD Rebels. So right away we go in. Very interesting situation, you know. There is a good drop coming on here. Ideally, of course, it would be to reach the first significant level. This whole area is a free fall zone. There is no support for the price. Of course, we are far from the ideal entry point, but the potential to earn here is very good. Profit didn't take long, and here we have already made plus $364, guys. So it would be ideal to make a trade here, but let's move on, guys. So we will come back here, but in the meantime, let's see what else is on the market. AUD GPU, we don't have anything interesting here either, but check out this one. It's an indication that we sellers are dominating here. They have pushed out all the buyers traffic, so it's very dangerous to come in here. So let's see what else we have. So the price is still falling, the potential is good. The important thing is that all the traffic doesn't go without us, but we will back. And meantime, let's see what else we have. Let's get back to our trade after all. USD Rebels. How well we fly? I fly without hesitation. So far we still have a good amount of price movement. I think there will be an interesting bounces from the area later. But for now there is a movement and we still sit and wait. It would be awesome to get the rebound from this level, but let's not think ahead. The movement went right away. Everything is great, just great, guys. So we made plus $358. We got in fast and we got out fast. What's a great situation. So let's look at what happened on the hour time frame. In general, everything is the same. It has broken through an important level and maybe there will be a bounce from the retest area. It's the same on the 4 o'clock. Everything points to shorts. We are in a downtrend. You can see that as all our tops are going down. Let's mark the level where the price reversed from 127.80. These were our locally highest points, and we can see that the level is holding the price back. And let's mark where the price can come in a further decline. Well, a second. The level is not set, but here I will wait for the price to go down to the zone. Look how timely we closed the deal. Immediately there were such unpleasant candles. your GBR. This is a good situation. I go in right away. There is an interesting pattern, by the way. It is a flag, and it's important now to break through the level. Very good momentum coming in. It's a good time to get into a trade. We need to go higher than this, but in all likelihood we will meet resistance here, guys. So very dangerous zone, and again another trade closed at 384 plus. I mean, of course, that was a very nice entry point, by the way. It closed at profit. There was such a pullback. I was not worried for nothing, guys. So figure flag, guys, read and remember. So the rebel is still falling, and we also could have stayed in the trade or pulled. European tribe. So immediately I see an interesting chart. We go in, there is a magnet at the bottom, and I will show it to you. So here we have a support level below, guys, and which is the price tends to go. Basically we have a nice channel, and right away the price went down. Apparently another good up trade. The situation is immediately worked out, and all we have to do is wait. Great, $320. So well, that's it, guys. I think we're done now, and actually we made quite a bit of money. So we're up to 11,400 in deposits. I thank you for watching this video, guys, to the end, and do not forget to like, write any comments, and subscribe to my channel. There is always only useful information and the most interesting insights. Goodbye.